How labeling equipment works from pressure sensitive to shrink sleeve. Have you ever looked at a product on a store shelf and wondered how that label got there so perfectly? Whether it is a flat sticker on a bottle of water or a full wraparound sleeve on an energy drink. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how labeling equipment works, covering the two most widely used technologies in modern packaging: pressure-sensitive labeling and shrink sleeve labeling. So you understand how each one works, when to use each, and what sets them apart. Let us start with pressure-sensitive labeling, which is currently the most widely used label technology in the world. A pressure-sensitive label, also called a self-adhesive label, is a pre-printed label with an adhesive backing mounted on a release liner, which is the paper or film backing you peel away. The label is printed, laminated, and die cut into individual labels wound on a roll. When a product moves down the production line, the labeling machine unwinds the roll, peels the label away from the liner, and presses it directly onto the container surface using a combination of mechanical rollers and electronic sensors to ensure precise placement every single time. No heat, no water, and no solvents are required. The adhesive activates simply through the pressure of being applied to the surface, which is exactly where the name comes from. Pressure-sensitive machines are fast, easy to integrate into existing production lines, support rapid changeovers between different products, and work on glass, plastic, metal, and most flat or slightly curved surfaces. They are cost-effective, especially for small to mid-sized production runs, and because the labels are easy to update, they are ideal for products with seasonal designs, frequent regulatory updates, or short-run limited editions. The main limitation is coverage. Pressure-sensitive labels work best on flat or gently curved surfaces. For complex-shaped containers with deep contours or irregular geometry, the label may lift, wrinkle, or not adhere properly. Now let us talk about shrink sleeve labeling, which has been steadily taking market share from pressure-sensitive technology because of its visual impact and versatility. A shrink sleeve label is printed on a heat-sensitive plastic film, most commonly PVC, PETG, OPS, or PLA, and then formed into a tube. The machine unwinds the printed film from a roll under controlled tension. Using sensors that detect registration marks printed on the film, the machine cuts each sleeve to the exact required length. The sleeve is then opened and slipped over the container, either manually for low-volume operations or automatically through a high-speed applicator for production lines. Once the sleeve is positioned correctly on the container, it passes through a heat tunnel or steam chamber. The heat activates the film's memory, causing it to shrink tightly around the container, conforming perfectly to every curve, contour, and edge of the shape. The result is a seamless 360-degree label that covers the entire surface of the container from top to bottom. This full body coverage gives brands dramatically more space for graphics, product information, and design elements, which is why shrink sleeves are the preferred choice for beverages, personal care products, food packaging, and any product where shelf presence drives purchasing decisions. Shrink sleeve systems require tighter engineering control than pressure-sensitive setups. The heat tunnel must maintain precise thermal settings, and the applicator must synchronize perfectly with the tunnel to avoid distortion, skewing, or inconsistent shrink patterns. Line speed changes and container variability require careful management, and condensation on containers can cause sleeve adhesion issues before the shrink process begins. Now here is the key decision framework for choosing between the two. Use pressure-sensitive labeling when your containers are flat or gently curved, your production volumes are small to medium, you need fast changeovers between SKUs. Your budget for equipment and labels is tighter, or your labels need frequent updates. Use shrink sleeve labeling when your containers have complex or irregular shapes. You need full-body 360-degree coverage. Your branding needs maximum visual impact on shelf. You need tamper-evident functionality since shrink sleeves can cover caps and closures as a built-in tamper seal, or your products will be exposed to moisture, abrasion, or temperature changes since shrink film is significantly more durable in wet environments. Now here is your pro tip. Many manufacturers underestimate how early in the product design process the labeling technology decision needs to be made. If you design a uniquely shaped container first, and then try to apply a pressure-sensitive label to it afterward, you will likely face adhesion and wrinkling issues that cannot be fixed without changing either the container or the label type. The best packaging systems are designed with the labeling method already determined from the very beginning, so the container shape, the label material, and the production line equipment are all selected together as one integrated system. So to recap, pressure-sensitive labels use adhesive-backed pre-printed labels applied directly to the container surface with no heat required, making them fast, flexible, and cost-effective for most standard packaging needs. Shrink sleeve labels use heat-shrinkable film tubes that conform tightly to the container shape after passing through a heat tunnel, delivering full body coverage, superior durability, and maximum branding impact for complex containers and premium products. If this video helped you understand how labeling equipment works, hit the like button and subscribe for more industry explainer guides. And drop a comment below telling me which type of labeling you use or which one you found most interesting. See you in the next one.